Hey guys, welcome to Lekki. This is Lekki Tollgate. Inward Lekki from VI. This is Tollgate 1. We are driving through Lekki today. Welcome to our channel. If you've not subscribed, please kindly do so. This channel is for everything road trip in Lagos. Yes, welcome to our channel once again. This journey is from Lekki Tollgate, as you saw at the beginning of the video, from Lekki Tollgate in VI. That's where we have the Oriental Hotel, down to Ajah. Many of us call everywhere here Lekki. Lekki is basically from that tollgate that this video started from. That is where Lekki started. Well, that's where Lekki begins. From that toll gate down to the other toll gate at Orchard Road at Lekki Conservation. That is where Lekki ends actually. But many of us don't know that. After that toll gate, what you have there is Ikate, Ajah, Sangotedo, before you get to Ibeju Lekki. But the Lekki that everybody calls Lekki, or I stay on the island, that is where Lekki ends. If you pass that toll gate, you are no longer staying on the island. You are staying, in fact, you are staying in fact, you and somebody in the corridor, but I agree it's the same. You are staying off island. Not island anymore, it's off island. So welcome to my channel. Forget about what I've been saying. Earlier. This is Lekki-Epe Expressway, the newly rehabilitated Lekki-Epe Expressway, duly completed. This project was executed by His Excellency the Sanwo-Olu led government of Lagos State throughout the year 2025. They did it lane by lane. The lane on my left was done first before this one we are driving on currently. And this road was the construction of this road, the rehabilitation of this road was very fast. It was extremely fast. In fact, I was surprised that roads can be, constructed in this at this space rather. It was really fast. Anybody who plies this road regularly can attest to that. It was really fast and it was neatly done. As we can see, they use asphalt, or what we normally call quota in our own language here. They use asphalt for this section of the road. And it's beautiful. It's looking very neat. In fact, if you are not careful, if you saw this video randomly, you would think it's abroad. This road is very clean, well tracked, well demarcated. You can see the lines on the road, very neat and clear. And it is like this all the way to the second toll gate at Lekki Conservation Center. That's Orchard Road area, down to the second toll gate outward Lekki towards Ajah. From VI, this rehabilitation started, and it ends at Lekki Conservation Center, like I said. But after that place, the road continues. It's called Lekki-Epe Expressway, like we said earlier. This road begins from Bonicam Cantonment here. Though the beginning of this road is known as Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue, till you get to Adetokumbo, Ademoda Civic Tower. Till you get to Civic Tower, it is still called Ozumba Mbadiwe Avenue. In fact, till you get to Oriental Hotel. Yeah, till you get to Oriental Hotel. Where that toll gate is, the first toll gate that we started this video from, is where Lekki-Epe Express starts from. The other section is called Ozumba Mbadiwe. Many of us may not know this. So from here down to Epe, from that toll gate down to Epe is Lekki-Epe Expressway. But this asphalt was used till the traffic lights, no, not before the traffic light, till Ajah under bridge. So this asphalt was used till Ajah, but once you get to Ajah, you climb the bridge and you step down, the road becomes concrete. So that concrete was used from Ajah down all the way to Epe. It's concrete. It's made of concrete, just like the coastal road, just like the ongoing Lagos-Calabar highway, which is the coastal road, the new coastal road. If you've applied that road before, you see that it was constructed with concrete. It was constructed with concrete. Many of the new roads these days are constructed with concrete, actually, just like the Oshodi-Apapa Expressway, Bagada Expressway, even the newly Shagamu-Ore road is being constructed with concrete. It is solid, it is durable, it has a longevity than asphalt, according to experts. That's the reason why they are now using concrete to construct some roads in Nigeria, all over Nigeria, not just in Lagos. It's durable, it's sustainable. Unlike some minor roads that are used that we use interlocks to construct. Major expresses are now constructed with asphalt or concrete, but majorly concrete. So enjoy the ride. This is we are currently at Kusela Road, or where they call Still Waters. The traffic light are Still Waters. That's where we are currently. So we are heading towards Ajah. This road is clean as possible. And if you are used to this road 2 years ago, you will know that, in fact, right now we are enjoying this road, because earlier this road was so bad. Traffic was heavy. Whenever it rains, in fact, you spend hours on this road. If you are trying to take a flight and you're coming from Ajah, you are most likely going to miss your flight. No doubt about that. You are most likely going to miss your flight, because the road was terrible. It was really, really, really terrible, especially when it rains. But right now, in fact, all those pains of plying this road are gone, thanks to the governor, His Excellency Sanwo-Olu. His government has been wonderful when it comes to road construction and infrastructure. His government has been wonderful. We must commend his effort. So enjoy the ride. I'll see you on the other side. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do. We appreciate your support. And every week we update you on infrastructures in Lagos, road infrastructure to be specific. We update you on road infrastructures in Lagos. We post new videos, and every video is new and on a new route. We try as much as possible not to repeat, the same route all over and all over again. So yeah, enjoy the ride. Thank you for staying till this moment. We appreciate. I hope you enjoy yourself too. I hope you're having a good day. Lagos roads are beautiful. We must confess. We must tell ourselves the truth. Lagos roads are beautiful. I know some people will doubt. I know some people will say, not everywhere. Have you gone to so place? Have you gone to so place? Or have you been here? Or my area is like this, or that area is like that. But majorly, at least the expressways, the highways are beautiful. And most of them are in good condition. Currently, in 2026, most of them are in good condition. Let's be sincere with ourselves.